Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to change the lens distortion correction settings on your GoPro Mission 1. As you can see right here, there is this button in different modes, and for now, as you can see, it looks pretty much ultra wide. It looks like a fisheye when I'm just like recording something or stuff like that. When I click on it, I can actually change the digital lens to correct the digital distortion. You can see how it does it. It just changes. You can see the wide one and the linear one, they are very different as you look at the flat desk that I have right here. Then also there's horizon lock, which I can enable, so when I rotate the camera, you can see it doesn't affect the horizon level. The horizon level keeps straight. So that is the thing, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.